Do you want to learn how to make face masks from sock to... So if you are interested how to learn face masks, keep on watching. Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. It's Rocky. Today in this vlog, we are going to make a DIY face mask. From using sock, we are going to make a face mask. So this is DIY. What we're gonna need, we need to find a piece of sock and of course a pair of scissors. Let's get started. Get ready your materials and fold it like this and cut it all the way up. And now we are going to stretch it. And now fold it again. We're not going to cut there. We're going to cut here until the middle. Now open it and we are going to cut here. Well, please be careful with your scissors, guys. Now there you have it. Now we have our first DIY face mask. You can use this now, but I think I'm going to use some of the tissues because this sock or the one DIY face mask that we made just now is not going to be strong enough to protect you. So if I'm going to wear this outside, I may use this. Just fold it, simple fold it like this and like this, and then I'm going to put it just like this and wear it, you know, just another protection. That's it. I made it. We made it, guys. It's so easy to make it and it's fun. It's like experiments, you know. I hope you can hear this because it's covered in my mouth. So yeah, it's good. And I need another one. That's it. It's easy, right? I have mine. Two face masks now. I made gray and black, and ta-da! I have mine. How about you? Are you going to make one? Please let me know in the comment section below if you're going to make one using your sock. Make sure it's clean, guys, okay? Thank you for watching, guys. Hope you like this video and hope to see you soon. Bye! Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you like this video, and if you do, please hit the like button and subscribe if you haven't, and please watch the next video right there, and see you in my next video. Bye!